Hi there, my name is Mark Davis and I'm here to demonstrate my Twilio hackathon project, codename Artemis. So this project is based around organizations that can have events that can have time spans or not time spans. I'm basing the groundwork of this off something like GitHub. So GitHub here, we have these organizations. These organizations have repositories, and these repositories have issues. And now these issues are set out by the repository owners saying, we need help with this particular issue. And this is the idea behind my project. So these organizations would have events. So events are much like repositories in our other example. And these events will have updates. So these events are more like issues, and then the updates are basically updates for the issues. So this is much like a comment section. So how this works, so I'm currently working in my development environment, so I am logged in as user at email, and the reason that I can create edit some of this information is because this user actually owns this information. So I have my event here, which is just some lorem ipsum data. So I can subscribe to this event, and what will happen is that if we go back to our organization for a second, so once this loads in, we have a set of message templates. So these message templates are essentially templates for the SMS messages that get sent out after a certain event occurs on the website. So if, for example, I was wanting to create a template, I could name my template, say, tell it what text I actually want to be sent to my customer, and the event type that it will send after. Now these event types are a little limited at the moment, but I've got one here for event update created. So because I have subscribed to this particular event, every time a update gets published, what this will do is find the subscribers to this event, and I can submit. Now hopefully you heard that buzz. That buzz represents my phone being alerted to the fact that there has been an update to that particular event. Now, what I want to do in future is to provide the user with some sort of link to the website that is not active right now, where they can basically go to this event and see the update that has been posted for this particular event. And this will help people stay up to date, stay in contact with an event. So you can imagine on the live version of this, so we have organizations, and once my list loads in here, one of the organizations that I've listed here is the Folding at Home. So these Folding at Home is a distributed computing network helping with COVID-19 at the moment. So one of their events is the COVID-19. So we can go in and have a look at their event. So they have one update once it loads. And this basically gives us information about what is exactly happening with the event right now. So you can see that you can post images, you can post YouTube videos, you can post all sorts of information. But again, once this loads in here, it has a call to action at the bottom here. So this actually links to their website where you can find even more information, and where I copied this information from. Now, this serving as an example here of like the type of events that organizations can have, and how updates can be posted, and how that information gets related to the customer who is interested in that information. So I've also implemented a subscribe to all events. So if you're interested in every event associated with an organization, then you can click here, and it gives you a subscription to this organization. Now, every time a new event gets posted under that organization, it will again message the user with that information, and then that user can stay up to date with that organization as well as the fine grain events. Yeah, that was my quick introduction to my Twilio hackathon project. I hope you found this useful. I look forward to working on this in the future, because this has sparked quite a few ideas, I think. Thank you for letting me participate.